What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I am going to review a action thriller movie, Watchmen. In this type of movies, the most important thing is how creative and how fictional you can get to create the hype or suspense in the movie. And the most important thing, you need to remain with the logical uh, grounds that this could happen if you have a dog. So the story starts with a guy who was about to get married with a girl because the parents doesn't like, as usual it happens. And the problem with the guy is that he is more into debt, and the loan sharks are always chasing him, even when he was about to get one-on-one talk with the in-laws while they were in the house. So he's uh, more frustrated with the situation around him, whereas he has to uh, collect almost like 300,000 rupees to pay back to them to set himself free and focus more on his life. And his business is also not doing well. That's why the parents of the girl are not interested in this relationship, but yet they give a go once they found out that the situation will get better, as the parents his parents are telling. And while he is more into this triangle of money, girlfriend and marriage, he tries to sell his motorbike, but it couldn't. And then he goes back to one of his friend to create a comedy in it. That's why Yogi Baba is there, and he is good. Overall, his character is better. And because the protagonist is a composer and actor, there are flaws, and it can be justified at the beginning of the movies or your journey. And I think this movie will likely be watched by the kids, especially because of the dog scene. But it's smooth. The most important thing is the background score that they have created it so that the flow of the movie will keep going on, and you could see that uh, once he's trying to rob a house, uh, the situation turned upside down because there is a dog that he meets, and that dog is very smart. Instead of chasing him away, Bruno the dog pushing him inside. And what was the reason? You have to watch it for this one, and you will really enjoy. And overall, what happens in the house, it creates more thrill and suspense, and that you will really enjoy it. And I think it was very good to watch it, and especially because of all these scenes that were created by the director for the dog. You will really enjoy it, and the rest of the movie you will really enjoy it. There is always a good end, and I really wish that you should watch it, especially because at the beginning, if whosoever is making a movie, so you have to support them. Sooner or later they will get a very good content, and definitely they will make a very good movie. But overall it is their very best effort, and there are many smart moves that I don't want to tell or reveal. You have to watch it by yourself. That dog is very intelligent, and how he helps the person inside it. And so you will really enjoy it. Thank you so much for bearing me, and have a great week. Take care of yourself. And if you have any other movie that needs to be watched or very good to watch, kindly do recommend. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye bye.